Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in an Infiniti G35. First, locate the low-pressure service port, typically on the passenger side near the firewall. Next, connect your manifold gauge set to the low-pressure port. Make sure the engine is off and cool before you begin. This initial setup is crucial for a safe and effective recharge. Before starting, connect the blue hose from your manifold gauge set to the low-pressure service port. Then, attach the yellow hose to the refrigerant can's tap valve. It is vital to ensure all connections are tight and secure to prevent any refrigerant from escaping. This step prepares your system for the new refrigerant, ensuring a clean and efficient transfer. With the engine running and the AC on full blast, slowly open the valve on the refrigerant can. Allow the refrigerant to flow into the system. Continuously monitor the low-side pressure gauge on your manifold set. You are aiming for a reading between 30 and 40 psi. This gradual addition helps prevent overcharging and ensures optimal cooling performance. Once the pressure is stable and within the recommended range, quickly disconnect the hoses from the service port. Turn off your engine and check for any signs of leaks around the connections. Finally, test your AC to ensure it's blowing cold air. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your newly recharged, cool AC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.